much for sharing the wonderful feeling. Elise feels so fantastic! Palakpakan natin si Elise. Ang ganda mo, naka-backless pa. Naka-backless ka pala? Hindi ko napansin. Sabi nag-backless din ako. Sabagay, backless ako. Backless din ako eh. Di ba? Sige. Sino pa kaya eto ba, kailangan ko na machong lalaki dito. Di ba? Sino mga papabol? Sino mga papabol? Ako, ito mga papabol to. Hi! O para mga 14 years old lang to. Halika nga rito, papi. Papi, halika dito. Tama, papakaw to, mama. Ayan, palakpakan natin. May kapatid, pero meron isang microphone. On the spot ang ito eh. Mga chuchu eh.
Lisa, papi. Alabas ka.
Uy, huwag ka kakalit. Ano ka ba? Ano gusto mong i-interviewin kita o hahalikan kita? Mamili ka. Check my test. Ayan. Ano ang pangalan? What is your name? John. Palapakan natin, John. That is my favorite name. Ay! John. So, anong batch ka?
My wife went to batch 93.
Batch 93. And are you also from St. Joseph? Or?
No, I was born here in the US.
Oh, you were constructed here in America. Okay, you were born here. So, how long have you been married?
4 years.
Okay, 4 years. Okay, how does it feel now that you're actually meeting all those friends of your wife from the past? How does it feel right now?
It's amazing because I didn't expect this in the future.
Yeah.
Actually, my wife is done.
Ay, ganun ba? Hello, sister. Okay. Oh, ayan. He feels amazing. Palakpakan natin si John. A round of applause for John. Thank you so much. Anyway, nice to meet you and enjoy your food. Yeah. Wala mo ba kayo unikan? Wala na pa ako nag-uusap.
That's what I told you. You haven't done it all.